Hey guys, it's Ro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make rainbow foam beads. These you can use for room decor or to put into slime. And these beads do not stain if you put them into slime. So if you want to learn how to make it, just keep on watching. Let's get started. The first thing you will be needing are some foam beads. I got these ones while on my trip to Japan for only 100 yen, which is roughly $1, but they do sell similar ones on Amazon. You'll also need some assortments of paint. I just have some teal, red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. I would recommend using gloves because it makes the painting process a lot easier and easier to clean up. And if you don't want to make a mess, I would recommend using plastic wrap, but you obviously do not have to. And lastly, you will be needing plates. I just have 6 plates because I'm using 6 colors. So starting off, the first thing you need to do is add your foam beads to your plate. Add in a generous amount of paint. You need to add quite a bit of this because you need to coat each individual ball with the paint. And now leave your colored beads on your plastic wrap to dry. Now grab some thick slime or any slime that you want to mix the beads into. I just got this really thick glue-all based slime. And if you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I made this, please leave your suggestions in the comments below and I will do one if you really want me to. And here I am just mixing together all of the colors of my foam beads just so that it's easier to pour in. So this is basically it. So I'm just going to mix in the rest of the beads, which they kind of remind me of Skittles in a way, but I'm just going to leave pretty much the rest of this video in ASMR so that you can enjoy the slime sounds. So before I end this video, I want to say that I am now selling Daiso clay in my slime shop. And they are really affordable, and you can choose between white, red, yellow, green, blue, pink, brown, and black Daiso clay. If you want to purchase, click the link in the description box and it should take you straight to my Etsy shop. And I also have some slimes from the last restock still in my shop, so if you want to purchase, they're there too. And that is all I have for this week's video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you do like our content, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. So if you want to suggest any new videos you want us to make, please leave them in the comment section down below. So that's all, and bye!